Freshman Day 2022.
My name is Sanaya Peterson. I am a junior and I'm excited to teach the freshmen all sorts of new things.
What's up, Wilbur Cross? I'm Mr. Tarka. I'm the new principal here. I am really excited to get our day started, to get back to school, to have our students back with us. I'm excited for every single day and every class and all of our students learning and having a great time at Wilbur Cross.
Hi, my name is Keneal, and I'm excited for a new year and a new school because I had a lot of problems, so I just want to start clean.
My name is Leilani, and I'm excited to do sports during school.
I'm Stacy Reisner. I teach PE, I teach health, I teach everything. I am excited for a brand new year, seeing faces and having a healthy, successful year with a super high graduation rate and a lot of success all around.
A mí me gusta estar en la cross porque los maestros son cools.